Here are 25 wild animal facts you won't believe are real, straight from the wildest corners of Earth. Trust me, number 1 will blow your mind. Number 25. The sparkling vampire squid. This deep-sea creature lives over 3,000 feet down in the Pacific Ocean, glowing blue and flipping itself inside out when attacked. It's been around for 300 million years, older than the dinosaurs. 24. The blue dragon sea slug. Floating upside down in the Indian and Pacific Oceans, this bright blue creature eats venomous jellyfish and stores their poison for defense. Small but seriously deadly. 23. The honey badger. From Africa and Asia, this fearless fighter takes on lions, cobras, even bee swarms. Its skin is so thick, knives can barely cut it. Nature's tiny tank. 22. The gharial. This crocodile from India and Nepal has a long, thin snout packed with 100 razor-sharp teeth. It looks fierce, but mostly eats fish, and it's now critically endangered. 21. The pangolin found across Africa and Asia. The pangolin is covered head to toe in hard scales. It curls up like a pine cone when scared, but it's sadly the most illegally traded animal on Earth. 20. The giant centipede slithering through South American jungles. This foot-long centipede climbs cave ceilings to grab bats right out of the air. Its venom paralyzes prey instantly. 19. The axolotl. From Mexico's ancient lakes, this smiling salamander can regrow limbs, organs, even parts of its brain. Scientists call it a clue to human healing. 18. The shoebill stork. Standing 6 feet tall in African swamps, this bird's shoe-shaped beak can crush baby crocodiles. It barely moves until, bam, lightning-fast strike. 17. The leafy sea dragonoff. Australia's southern coast, this fish looks exactly like floating seaweed. The twist? The male carries and gives birth to the babies. 16. The peacock spider native to Australia. This tiny spider is just 5 millimeters long, but flashes neon colors and dances to impress mates. Scientists compare its moves to disco and its vision to a falcon's, style and precision. 15. The immortal comb. Jelly deep in the Atlantic Ocean, this rainbow-glowing jelly doesn't just live forever. It clones itself. When attacked, it splits into 2 full adults and swims away. It's immortality, on repeat. 14. The Dracula parrot living in New Guinea's rainforests. This black and red bird looks like a vampire but feeds only on fruit. It spreads seeds that keep the forest alive. Beauty with purpose. 13. The diving bell spider is found in Europe and Asia. It's the only spider that lives underwater. It builds a bubble web and traps air from the surface. It breathes and hunts fish inside its own underwater bubble house, a scuba diver built by nature. 12. The thorny devil. In Australia's outback, this lizard drinks water through grooves in its skin. It changes color with temperature. Desert survival at its finest. 11. The goblin shark. Deep in the Atlantic and Pacific, this pink ghost shark shoots its jaw forward like a slingshot. Ancient, rare, and totally spooky. 10. The saiga antelope roaming Central Asia. This odd-nosed antelope filters dust and cools itself through its soft, bouncy nose. Weird look, genius design. 9. The hairy frog. From Central Africa, this frog snaps its own bones into claws when attacked, then heals afterward. Nature's real Wolverine. 8. The glass octopus. Drifting through tropical oceans, this nearly invisible octopus shows only its glowing eyes and heart. True master of hide and seek. 7. The maned wolf native to South America. This long-legged fox-looking hunter smells like buttered popcorn, and scientists still aren't sure why. 6. The giant squid. Living in deep oceans worldwide, this legend grows over 40 feet long with eyes the size of basketballs. Once a myth, now a monumental reality. 5. The Tasmanian devil found only in Tasmania. This screeching marsupial has a bite 10 times stronger than a dog's. It can crush bones and devour everything, fur and all. 4. The barrel-eye fish. In the dark Pacific deep, this fish has a clear skull so you can see its eyes rotate inside its head. Alien vibes, but 100% real. 3. The electric catfish. From African rivers, this shocking fish delivers 350 volts, enough to knock out a crocodile. It's electricity with fins. 2. The pink river dolphin. This freshwater dolphin swims through the flooded jungles of the Amazon. And yes, it's really pink. The brighter the color, the older and braver the dolphin. Locals believe these dolphins can shapeshift into humans at night, but scientists say their color actually comes from scar tissue and blood vessels just under their thin skin. 1. The glasswing butterfly found in Central and South America has wings that are completely transparent, so its predators see right through it. The secret? Super thin scales that bend light instead of reflecting it. Which fact amazed you the most? Drop your fav in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe if you got smarter by the fart.